whenever you take a diet. Whenever you take a diet, your diet contains what? Either you should eat a plant or an animal, right? So both contains what? Polysaccharide, yes or no? And what type of polysaccharides you are taking? It's a homopolysaccharide, yes or no? So what happens is whenever you take a diet, you are taking a homopolysaccharide. So what happens is in your salivary gland, you have a special enzyme called as ptyalin. What is that enzyme called as? Ptyalin. This ptyalin is also known as what? Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. So the salivary amylase breaks all the amyloses, that is alpha 1 to 4 linkages have been broken down by this salivary amylase. So the salivary amylase will break what? Polysaccharide into, the salivary amylase will break what? Polysaccharide into oligo and monosaccharide. Oligo and monosaccharide. Okay, now what happened? This salivary amylase will stops when the pH falls below 6. Stops working when pH falls below 6. When pH falls below how much? 6. So what happens is when you take a polysaccharide, your salivary amylase will break all the polysaccharides into oligo and monosaccharide while chewing. Okay, it mixes with the saliva and it mixes with the food and it breaks all the polysaccharide of your food into oligo and monosaccharide. And then what happened? This entire thing you used to have will travel down to your esophagus and then it reaches stomach, and your stomach contains a highly acidic pH. Yes or no? Most probably 3.5. Okay, no digestion occurs in the stomach. No digestion occurs in the stomach. Occurs in stomach. And then from stomach it enters where? Duodenum. It enters into duodenum. And duodenum contains what and what type of secretions? Duodenum contains gallbladder and pancreatic secretion. Yes or no? And your duodenum contains a gallbladder and pancreatic secretion, and your pancreas contains a special enzyme. Pancreas contains a special enzyme called as pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase. What does this pancreatic amylase will do? This pancreatic amylase will break the remaining oligosaccharides into monosaccharide. Remaining oligosaccharides into monosaccharides. Oligosaccharides into what? Monosaccharides. Okay. There are certain enzymes also present apart from this pancreatic amylase. So the enzymes like lactase will break the lactose into what and what? Break lactose into glucose plus galactose. Glucose plus galactose. Okay. And the second is you have your sucrase. Sucrase enzyme breaks what? Sucrose into glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Okay. And then what we have? You have a maltase. Maltase break what? Maltose into glucose plus glucose. Maltose into what and what? Glucose plus glucose. Okay. So again, so everything was formed as a monosaccharide. Yes or no? Everything was formed as a monosaccharide. And these monosaccharides have been taken up into the cell via absorption. So till now what we saw was a digestion.